Hello there. Welcome to HVI, America's #1 vehicle inspection and maintenance platform that is helping lots of businesses with their daily inspections and maintenance needs. You can do DVIR, DOT, pre and post, or any type of safety or quality inspections using application. Control your daily operations with reactive or preventive maintenance. Our app is vetted by over 100,000 plus drivers, operators, mechanics, and managers from over 19 countries. We're trusted by thousands of customers across the globe. Take control of fleet and equipment inspection and maintenance. Move from paper-based process to digital process. Ditch your paper-based inspection and maintenance process today. Ditch your paper-based inspection and maintenance process and go digital. After moving to our subscription plan, most of our customers have seen the following benefits: increased productivity. Track and fix the productivity issues with daily inspections and operator reporting on work hours, machine usages, DVIR, and additional business data collection. Lower maintenance cost. Reduce annual maintenance costs by 25% with well-planned PM schedules, follow-up process, and detailed tracking on parts and labor. Cut administration cost. No paper printing or reduced administration efforts to maintain machines, compliance data, or audit information. Increase asset life. Average users see 10% increase in asset life cycle. 3-month average payback time. 3-month is an average payback time of investment takes to recover the costs for the heavy vehicle inspection and maintenance software. Compliance and safety. Always follow all safety and compliance protocols with app. Take control of operations. Manage your inspections, maintenance, and operations without the paper stacks. Our customer service is top rated with average response time under 24 hours. Subscribe now and keep your assets up and running 24/7. Take control of fleet inspections and maintenance.